Hello, this is Jammal Baba. Today is November 8th, 2023. Let's visit the scene in 1930s. Via a sacral lens. The musician Abibu Oluwa. Location, Lagos Island. The individual, Tukuru Ajibabi. It was a personification of a total commitment to one of his lineage, even at the extent of giving the ultimate sacrifice. Personification of dedication to the Alajobi. Who is Tukuru Ajibabi? It was one of the Gaussian that was just totally loyal and dedicated to his family, meaning extended family, as in the Ajibabi families. He gave all he had, including his life. So rather than tarnish the family name, he was willing to make the ultimate sacrifice of sacrificing his own life. Let's hear what Abibu had to say. Wasangarun Musa is an Hausa. Jibabi So this is one of example of where, because Abu Mara Orin, so if you don't listen carefully, you miss some of his lyrics. But if you're not aware of it, you might think he's saying goro goro goro. Boshe kule gbowo Ajibabi o. Ṣé kule gbowo Ajibabi o. Ṣefunle Ajibabi o. It's always consistently, continuously helping the lineage. Ṣefunle. Always helping the lineage. Ajibabi o. Extended household is constantly helping. Ohun orule ṣe fàjà ló pọ̀. Ohun orule ṣe fàjà ló pọ̀. Aja is roof. Sorry. Orule is roof. Aja is attic. So, Ṣefunle Ajibabi o. Does a lot for the extended family. Ohun orule ṣe fàjà ló pọ̀. What orule? What the protection that the roof gives headache is a lot. It's willing to expose itself to the rainy season, to the sunny weather, wind, whatever is coming. Is willing to protect the extended family. Just as the roof is steadfastly protecting the attic and the extent and everything underneath it. Ohun orule ṣe fájà ló pọ̀. Then it's going to come back with àjà orí ń ṣe fórùlé ọ̀dọ̀run rere alákejì o. I think he's just reaping the benefit of protection of being shielded. Meaning it's kind of like a one-way relationship, one-way street. He's protecting the extended family. Ajibabi o. Àjà orí ń ṣe fórùlé ó dọ̀run ọjọ́ rere o. Àjà orí ń ṣe fórùlé ó dọ̀run ọjọ́ rere o. Ajibabi o. Gbọ́dọ̀ pé bàbá lórúkọ. Oyún inú ò gbọ́dọ̀ pé bàbá lórúkọ. The fetus inside the belly of a pregnant woman hasn't earned the credibility to call the paternal, to call his or her paternal by their first name. He hasn't earned it because he's not born yet. And we don't know if he's going to survive or if he's going to be another statistic in infant mortality rate. So he hasn't earned it yet. Oyún inú ò gbọ́dọ̀ pé bàbá lórúkọ. Ajibabi o. Àmọ̀ràn kan ò gbọ́dọ̀ fi ra ẹjọ́ òye. An imbecile should not make himself a king. Wọ́nranwọ̀nran ló máa ṣe. Àgbo ò ní pé reacting. Àmọ̀ràn kan ò gbọ́dọ̀ fi ra ẹjọ́ òye. An imbecile should not install himself as a king. Gbọ́dọ̀ dúró bí orò gbọ́kùnrin lọ o. Obìnrin ò gbọ́dọ̀ dúró bí orò gbọ́kùnrin lọ. Oro is a cult that comes out in the dark of the night and is not to be seen by a female. So a woman can't stand and openly watching Oro called kidnapping a man. Iwo, Agbedo. It's a taboo. Because the first thing she's not even supposed to see Oro. And then when they kidnap a male for sacrifice, and she's witnessing that, they're not going to let that happen. They're not going to let her go scot-free. She'll have to face the consequence of it. Ajibabi, obìnrin ò gbọ́dọ̀ dúró bí orò gbọ́kùnrin lọ o. Ajibabi o. Elétè ò pa lójú ẹni. Létè, the evil plotters. The evil plotters. They always scheme behind your back. Létè ò pa lójú ẹni o. The plotters, they hardly plot openly in front of you. Ajibabi o. Là ń gbìmọ̀ràn ìkà, ẹ̀yin ẹni là ń gbìmọ̀ràn ìkà, bad deed. People always plan evil deed or bad deed behind the victim's back. Like, so you're not aware of it. But when you see them face to face, then they're trying to be nice to you. Hi, báwo ni, ó tójọ́ mẹ́ta. Mo bèrè lọ́wọ́ lágbájá, mo bèrè lọ́wọ́ tàmọ̀dù, wọ́n lọ travel. Tójú bá kanjú ẹnu àrí dẹ̀rẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ̀. Meanwhile, they've been plotting behind your back. They've been plotting evil plot behind your back. It's common among the military when they do coup to each other. They are friends. They meet at the polo club or squash. They play squash together. Meanwhile, they're planning against each other behind the victim's back. Not about the one is But then when they get confronted, it wasn't me. Lágbájá ló tàn mí sí, ẹnu àrí dẹ̀rẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ̀. Ajibabi o, ráyé bàbá lógún ẹrú, àmọ́ láyé bàbá lógún ẹrú. In this life, if you so have means and you have 20 slaves, and then you have ìwọ̀fà ọgbọ̀n, 30 helping hands, housemaid, or people that are helping hands, people that can do chores for you. Ọjọ́ tá bá kú, ọmọ ẹni nìkan ló máa kú. Ìwọ̀fà á lọ, ẹrú á lọ, ìwọ̀fà náà á lọ lé bàbá àti ìyá. Ọ̀fà ọgbọ̀n, ọjọ́ abákú táṣọ máa ṣègbé, ọmọ ẹni ní òkú. Ọjọ́ tabákú táṣọ máa ṣègbé, all your material wealth becomes nothing. Only your kids make arrangement on where you're going to be buried, how you're going to be deposed. All the material things, your car, expensive car in the driveway, you can't do nothing. Nothing. Girlfriend, at the very gay, girlfriend was a scum. Boyfriend, at the scum. Ọmọ ẹni kan ló máa kú. Èmi ò ríru Tukuru Ajibabi. I haven't seen anyone like so persistent like him. Àdánù sàsídà àwòlọ́ gbèrè o. Mi ò ríru Tukuru Ajibabi o. Àdánù sàsídà àwòlọ́ gbèrè o. Who's Àdánù Sàsí? Àdánù Sàsí. Àdánù is Yoruba lies for Adolphus. Just like Yoruba like Salvador to be Sabado, Andrew to be Anduru. So when it comes to Adolphus, they call him Àdánù. Àdánù Sàsí. And who's Àdánù Sàsí? Àdánù Sàsí was Adolphus Martins. He was the private secretary of the then Prince Ishugbayi before Ishugbayi became Eleko of Lagos, before he became Oba of Lagos. He was private secretary of Prince Ishugbayi. After him, Karim Kotun then became private secretary of Ishugbayi, Oba Ishugbayi. So Karim Kotun became Ajiroba of Lagos, meaning someone with unfettered access to the king. But prior to him was Andonus Sasi Adolphus Martins in the 1920s. Adolphus Martins was the private secretary of Ishugbayi. So I'll be one. Andonus Sasi na awo lo gbere o. Awo meaning a tight friend. A tight friend of Tukuru Ajibabi is also gone. He was singing about Tukuru Ajibabi, but then he tied in Andonus Sasi Adolphus Martin. He too is gone. Kútẹ́tẹ́ kún sílẹ̀ dé Ajibabi o. Abibu used this line a lot in several of his songs. Àjànàkú tẹ́tẹ́ kún sílẹ̀ dé Ajibabi o. Erin mojú erin ò bá bẹ̀ lọ o. Or sometimes we say, erin ré kọjá erin ò bá bẹ̀ lọ o. The elephant that is set a trap for. And the type of trap is set for elephant to dig a ditch, real deep ditch. So like, and they camouflage it with vegetation. Then if he falls in there, then he can't get out, and then they can attack it in there. So he's saying, Àjànàkú tẹ́tẹ́ kún sílẹ̀ dé Ajibabi o. Erin ré kọjá erin ò gbábẹ̀ lọ o Ajibabi o. Now he's going to use another one of his favorite lines. Ẹ kọjá o erin ò gbábẹ̀ lọ o Ajibabi o. Ẹbọ kékèké nígbà láìsàn ilé ayé dára. Steadfast small sacrifice cure the sick. All that line is saying is prevention is better than cure. Ìgbà rere lẹ̀ṣọ́ èèyàn ẹ̀yin ará mi o. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gan tí yọ o. Ó gan tí yọ. It stopped the crack. Ọlọ́run ọba yé, Ọlọ́run ọba jọ̀wọ́ o. Jẹ́ àrówó ṣèkẹ́ ìyàwó nígbà tó bá bímọ o. Ọlọ́run ọba yé, Ọlọ́run ọba jọ̀ọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba jẹ́ àrówó ṣèkẹ́ ìyàwó nígbà tó bá bímọ. Oh God, please give us means to be able to take care of our spouse, especially when she just have a brand new baby and she's gonna need some nurturing. Her and the baby, they're gonna need some nurturing. May we have means to take care of both of them. And the drum says, Ami, Ami, Ami. So the leading drummer here is Mimi Lola. And there's a historical stamp on this too. So let's hear the beginning of it and hear how Mimi Lola came in. Mimi Lola di bàbá rẹ̀ kì í ṣìpín. Mimi Lola di bàbá rẹ̀ kì í ṣìpín. This is when he took over from Buckner. Buckner, like I told you guys before, there are three main lead drummers in the lifespan of Abibu Oluwa's musical group. Buckner was the first, aka Governor. And he'll play rhythmic. Mimi Lola was the second lead drummer after Buckner left. So in this drum beat, Mimi Lola di bàbá Rikishi Queen. Mimi Lola is now the boss drummer, the lead drummer. All schemes is over with. Nobody can scheme me out of this. Mimi Lola di bàbá Rikishi Queen. He will praise himself a lot. His signature, when he's beating, he will praise himself a lot. And then he tends to fill in space. He doesn't like leaving space when he's beating. And he was one of the main lead drummers that really contributed to using Proverbs in the drum lines and doing a lot of sentencing. So even though he has rhythmic, like Governor did, like Buckner did, but he started inserting proverbs and idioms into his drum beat. Hey, go, Ajibabi, Ajibabi, Lobo, Ajibabi, ọjọ́ rere o, Ajibabi o, ló gbọ́dọ̀ pé bàbá lórúkọ, Ajibabi o. Àmọ̀ràn kan ò gbọ́dọ̀ fi ra ẹ̀jọ̀, Mimi Lola di bàbá sẹ́. Yeah, Abibu. Mimi is bad, man. I'm going to pull it back for you guys. You guys remember he started mouthing off about himself. Mimi Lola di bàbá Rikishi mi. Mimi Lola di bàbá Rikishi mi. Now he's going to give homage to the father of the leader of the band. The leader of the band is Abibu Oluwa. Abibu Olatunde Ayinde Oluwa. But listen, it's going to give, Mimi Lola is going to give homage to Abibu's father. Yeah, Lawani, ọmọ Abalogun, ó lọ, Ọlọ́run ò lọ. Màá tún fà sẹ́yìn for you guys to hear it. Amubieya is the nickname for Abibu's father. Amubieya Lawani. Lawani is his name. Ọmọ Balógun ó lọ, Ọlọ́run ò lọ. That line is an Islamic line. When Prophet Muhammad died and the congregation was destroyed, and then the person next to Prophet Muhammad was Abu Bakr. And he's older than Prophet Muhammad in age. Abu Bakr had to address the congregate, and he told them, your Prophet Muhammad is dead, he's gone, but God has not gone. So the Muslim will use that line. So if someone dies, so is gone, but God has not gone. Allah is still here. So that's what that done. Amubi aya lawani ọmọ balógun ó lọ ọlọ́run ò lọ. So my first saying for you guys to hear it again. Mubi aya lawani ọmọ balógun ó lọ ọlọ́run ò lọ. Ọmọ bàbá ya lọ ọlọ́run ò lọ. Àmọ́láyé bàbá lógún ẹrú, ní wọ́n fa ọgbọ̀n. Ọjọ́ abákú táṣọ máa ṣègbé ọmọ ẹni ní òkú. Yorèrò Tukuru ọmọ Ajibabi o. Àjànú sàásìdá ó lọ gbére. Jànàkú tẹ́tẹ́ kún sílẹ̀ dé Ajibabi o. Èrì ò bá bẹ̀ lọ o Ajibabi o. Kékèké nígbà láìsàn ilé ayé dára. Ìwà rere lẹ̀ṣọ́ èèyàn ẹ̀yin ara mi o. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gan tí yọ o, gan tí yọ. Ọ̀run ọba yé, Ọlọ́run ọba jọ̀wọ́ o. Yàrówó ṣe kẹ́ ìyàwó nígbà tó bá bímọ o. Àmín, àmín, gbogbo wa láṣà àmín. So there's not much drum beat there than Mimi being Mimi. Mimi Lola di Babari Kishi Queen. And then Amubi Eya Lawani. Normal when they say lágbájá lọ ọlọ́run ò lọ yẹn, then they follow it up with ọlọ́run kò dẹlẹ̀ fẹ́nìyàn rere. Ọlọ́run kò dẹlẹ̀ fẹ́nìyàn rere. Don't forget your do re mis. Now you guys know about Tukuru Ajibabi. Now you guys know about Andanu Sasi. You guys know a little bit more about Karim Kotun. And you guys know more about Eleko Ishubai. You guys stay blessed. Don't forget your do re mis. Doesn't matter how you indent it. You could indent it from the back with your me, with your thumb, or you could indent it in the front. It doesn't matter. As long as you indent it, it will give you your me. It will give it to you. Do, re, mi. blessed. Leave comments. If you know about the Ajibabis, leave comments. If you don't, it's okay too. Guys, remain blessed. Ìwà rere lẹ̀ṣọ́ ènìyàn. Ẹ̀yin ará mi, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gan tíyọ̀ o.